Okay, YouTube, I have two ignition coils here for a Husqvarna 125B leaf blower. Here's the one that I suspect is bad, and I got a new one on eBay, and here's it. And let's measure the resistance on both of these. To do that, I got this screw. I put it in the end here so I can better contact the secondary on here, the high voltage. And you measure from the ground of this, which is right here, and let's measure the primary. Looks like it's about 2.6 megohms. Make sure I'm making a good connection. It's rising a little bit, almost like it's got a capacitor that's building up. I don't know what that is. Oh, there it is. About 2.8 meg ohms. My display is slightly messed. My LCD display on my Fluke got a little messed up, but you can see it. Okay, now the high voltage, which is the secondary, I presume, measure that, and I get 2.79 k ohms. All right, let's see how that compares with the brand new coil. $254 ohms, so that's different. That's much lower. And let's measure the secondary. I got to get this screw out of this other coil. Put it over here. Screw it in where it contacts the metal inside there. And the secondary is about 4 k ohms. So this thing measures completely different than the one that I suspect is bad. Now, this was very deceiving. When I tried to fix this thing, I pulled the spark plug out and but kept it grounded to the cylinder wall, and then pulled the starting rope, and I was getting spark on the spark plug, but evidently it was too weak to ignite the fuel. So that's what really threw me off in my troubleshooting process. Also, what threw me off is I had a kinked fuel hose down inside the tank. So I thought, oh, that's it for sure. And I replaced that, and it still wouldn't start. And so someone else online said that that threw them off as well, that they actually had a spark with the ignition coil. It was sparking, but it wouldn't ignite. So I think when these things get maybe some shorts inside, the resistance drops down, maybe the insulation wears off due to temperature, that they can work, but they just don't work well enough. And this new one I bought, I think it actually looks a little better. I got it for about what did I pay for that? $18 or so on Amazon. And I like the potting in the new one, this black potting, better than this one here. This one here that went out, it looks like there's little crevices down there, like it's not completely sealed. But anyway, I'm going to put this in, and then hopefully that'll fix my problem of not starting. And I'm not going to make two videos and tell you the solution. I'll just post it underneath there to tell you whether or not it fixed it. All right, thank you. Over and out.